Today I'm cooking tofu rojak for afternoon tea. It's served with homemade sweet chicken chili sauce. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 470 grams of fried firm tofu. The normal firm tofu works well too. Sweet chicken chili sauce, 200 grams of bean sprout, 1 tablespoon of roasted groundnuts, which is optional, 100 ml of cold water, 60 grams of shredded cucumber, 50 grams of shredded carrots, 1 stalk of spring onions, 35 grams of red onions cut into thin slices, 5 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoon of sesame seed. The full list of ingredients and recipe for sweet chicken chili sauce are in the See More link. Pour the rice flour in a mixing bowl together with wheat flour, corn flour, baking powder, salt, and sesame seeds. Mix all the ingredients with hand whisk until well combined. Add in 100 ml of cold water. Continue to whisk until flour has dissolved in cold water. Break any lumps of the flour batter. The consistency should be slightly thin, like this. Chill it in the fridge while we prepare the other ingredients. Put 1 liter of cooking oil in the pan. Switch on the heat. Set the timer for 8 to 10 minutes until the oil is hot enough for deep frying. Next, boil the water in a small pot. Once water is boiling vigorously, put in the bean sprouts. Cook it for about 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, stir the bean sprout. Switch off the heat, pour over the strainer to separate the bean sprout and hot water. Leave bean sprout aside and discard hot water. Next, cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. Cut 1 block of tofu into long and thin slices. I will be able to get 24 pieces like this. Alright, these are all tofu that I have cut. After 8 minutes, dip a wooden cooking chopstick in the hot oil. If bubbles form up like this, it means that the oil is hot and ready for deep frying. Take the flour batter out from the fridge, stir to mix it again. Put the tofu pieces in the mixing bowl. Coat it with the flour batter. Carefully add it in the hot oil. I am using my hands as I am quite comfortable with them. Tongs and spatula can be used as well. Add the tofu one by one to prevent them from getting stuck to each other. As there is a lot of tofu, I am frying it in 2 batches. Alright, this is the first batch. Separate any pieces that are stuck together. Fry them for 8 to 10 minutes or until crispy and golden brown, making sure to rotate and turn them carefully in between. After 10 minutes, all the tofu are nice and crispy. The color looks so perfect as well. Remove all the tofu from the hot oil with a strainer. Shaking a little to drip off the excess oil. Place them all on the cooling rack while frying the second batch. Use a small strainer to remove any flour droplets from the oil. Continue to fry the second batch, repeating the step. Alright, these are great, very crispy and golden brown. Remove from the hot oil. Placing them together with the first batch. Leave aside. In a mixing bowl, put in the bean sprout, shredded carrot, shredded cucumber, red onions, and spring onions. Gently toss all the vegetables together until well mixed. Arrange on the side of the serving plate. Sprinkle roasted groundnut on the vegetable. Place and arrange the crispy fried tofu in the middle. And we have a beautiful tofu rojak for the afternoon tea. Serve with sweet chicken chili sauce. There are multiple ways to enjoy the dish. The first is to eat the fried tofu, vegetable and chili sauce separately. The second is to mix everything like salad before serving. The third is to dip the tofu and vegetable into the chili sauce. The other way is to drizzle the chili sauce over the tofu and vegetable. For me, I prefer to drizzle the chili sauce. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is good. The tofu is crispy, the vegetables are crunchy, and the chili sauce is sour, spicy, and slightly sweet. They blend so well together. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!